kids, let's learn vehicles together. Car, bus, truck, so many vehicles around us. Watch carefully and listen. Let's start the fun.
This is a car. I am a car. I take people to different places. To see. This is a bus. I am a bus. I carry many people together. Yes, ma'am. This is an ambulance.
I am an ambulance. I help sick people.
This is a fire truck.
I am a fire truck. I help put out fires.
Attention, please. This is a police car.
I am a police car. I keep people safe.
This is a taxi. I am a taxi. I take people to places. This is a truck. Bye, check up me. I am a truck. I carry heavy things. Ooh. This is a bicycle. I am a bicycle. I help people ride. This is a motorcycle.
I am a motorcycle. I go very fast.
This is a train. I am a train. I carry many people far away. This is an airplane. I am an airplane. I fly in the sky. This is a helicopter.
Stepping television crowds. I am a helicopter. I fly up and down.
This is a boat.
I'm a what? I am a boat. I move on water.
This is a ship.
I am a ship. I carry goods on the sea.
This is a tractor. Okay, I am a tractor. I help on the farm. This is a garbage truck.
Wayne Zane and Jai, I am a garbage truck. I keep the city clean.
This is a bulldozer.
I am a bulldozer. I push heavy dirt.
This is an excavator. I am an excavator. I dig the ground. This is a tow truck.
I am a tow truck. I help broken cars.
This is a van.
I am a van. I carry things and people.
This is a school bus. I am a school bus. I take children to school. This is a road roller. I am a roller. I make roads smooth. This is a crane. I am a crane. I lift heavy things. This is a water tanker. I am am a water tanker. I carry water. This is a forklift.
I am a forklift. I lift boxes.
This is a police bike. I am a police bike. I help control traffic. This is a fire engine. Wallface. I am a fire engine. I help in emergencies. This is a harvester.
I am a harvester. I cut crops.
This is a trailer.
I am a trailer. I carry farm things.
Great job, kids! Today we learned about many vehicles like car, bus, and truck. Bye-bye, kids! See you next time! Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids! See you next time!
Like and subscribe.